Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn contemporary American literature together, step by step. After World War II, literature shifted again into postmodernism. Where modernists mourned a broken world, postmodernists often played with the pieces, using irony, humor, and self-awareness. They embraced metafiction, fiction that openly knows it is fiction, and questioned whether any single truth or grand story can capture reality. The result is bold, surprising, and sometimes dizzying experimentation. A defining feature of contemporary literature is its chorus of diverse voices. Black, Latino, Asian American, and Native American writers, among many others, move to the center of the conversation. Their work explores identity, memory, immigration, and belonging, insisting that the American story is really many stories woven together. This richness makes contemporary literature a vibrant mirror of a changing nation. Toni Morrison stands among the greatest contemporary authors. In Beloved, she confronts the lasting trauma of slavery through a haunting, nonlinear story. She coined the term rememory to show how the past refuses to stay buried and keeps shaping the present. Morrison won the Nobel Prize for giving voice to histories long silenced, proving that fiction can carry profound moral and historical weight. Contemporary writers stretch form itself. Memoirs, graphic novels, and genre-blending experiments sit beside traditional fiction. Compare the eras. Modernism mourned lost meaning, while postmodernism playfully questions whether fixed meaning ever existed. Across these forms, writers probe identity, exploring how culture, family, and history shape who we are. The toolbox keeps expanding, and so does the range of stories that can be told. Let's review. 1. Postmodernism brought irony, humor, and metafiction, doubting any single truth. 2. Contemporary literature lifted up diverse, multicultural voices and the many stories of America. 3. Toni Morrison powerfully confronted memory and the legacy of slavery. 4. Writers embraced new forms like memoir and the graphic novel. This living literature keeps growing with the country it reflects. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.